Hello friends and welcome back to Prajwalita's kitchen. Are you missing the restaurant for that crispy fried chicken? The wait is over. Our today's recipe is a restaurant style fried chicken at home. So let's start. For this recipe, take a chicken legs or thighs. Now make a slits on that pieces so that the masala will get inside. Now it's time for the first marination. Take it out in a bowl and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd, 1 teaspoon of salt, coat it nicely with the curd and salt and marinate it for 3 hours for the best flavor. Now after the first marination, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of Kasuri methi, 1 egg, 4 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and mix everything nicely and rest it for half an hour for the second marination. Now it's time for the frying. Heat the oil on a medium-high flame and add a marinated chicken piece one by one. Now cover and cook it for 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, turn aside and again cover and cook for 5 minutes. The total frying time is 10 to 12 minutes. Now take it out in a bowl and rest it for 15 minutes so that the inside cooking process stops completely and it's cooled down. Now to give it a restaurant style crisp, again fry it in a super hot oil on a high flame for 2 minutes. And here we go, our super duper restaurant style fried chicken is ready to serve. Check it out the list of tips at the end of the video and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy!